Shandong Shenhua Building Materials Trading Company Limited is a powder coating supplier integrating R&D, sales, and service. Our invested factory has 6 advanced fully automatic production lines for powder coatings, large production workshops, and first-class testing and inspection instruments. It has strong scientific research and development capabilities and rich experience in production management. The factory pays attention to product quality and environmental protection and has passed ISO 9001 quality system certification. The powder coating system operated by the company includes EPI polyester mixed powder, pure polyester powder, Puri-Poly powder, EPI polyester powder coating, polyurethane powder coating, acrylic powder coating, Acupeeling, EPU mixed powder coating, acrylic, polyester mixed powder coating, which can provide a long-term and effective protective barrier in product applications, anti-fouling, anti-weathering, corrosion-resistant, wear-resistant, with a wide range of colors, gloss, and finishing effects to choose from. More than 10,000 tons of powder coatings are produced annually, and the products are widely used in household appliances, kitchen utensils, office furniture, electrical equipment, consumer electronics, warehouse shelves, auto parts, petrochemicals, power industry construction, containers, bridges, heavy equipment, and larger-scale projects. We can develop special powder coatings with special properties according to customer needs. We will cherish the trust given to us by our customers and always be committed to providing customers with high-performance powder coating products and high-quality services.